If you love jewelry as much as I do, you are going to love today's video because today I'm going to be sharing with you two new pieces from Jeulia Jewelry. I do want to thank them for sending me these items to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing and reviewing of these two beautiful jewelry pieces from Jeulia Jewelry. So Jeulia Jewelry is celebrating their 11th anniversary, and they have been so kind to include you on the celebration. And they have given me a coupon code where you can get 15% off any purchase. So I'm going to put the code on the screen, and it's also going to be in the description box for you guys, along with the links for what I'm going to be sharing with you today, in case you want to check out anything that I'm sharing with you or see what else they have available for their 11th anniversary. They got some really great prices, and you can use that coupon code and get an additional 15% saving. So they do send you this really cute gift bag, and now it has the cutest little bow on here with this little charm. It's so cute. I love it. So they do provide you with this in case you want to give this as a gift. If you have something in mind for a gift, that's great. And then it also comes with a polishing cloth and then just a gift card in case you're giving it to somebody. You can write a little message on that. I love how they have everything together in case you are getting this as a gift and you're presenting it to somebody. It's very beautifully presented. And then they always have them in this really nice box. They do include this pamphlet that tells you to not remove the tag that's on the ring unless you know for sure that it's not going to fit, because if you remove it, you will not be able to return it. They do have 30-day returns, and then they have free shipping as well. They also have a little pamphlet that they include with some of their really beautiful pieces. And then also I'll have their website linked down below as well in case you want to just check out anything online. And then here are the two pieces. I have a necklace and a ring to share with you guys. So I'll first just go ahead and open up the ring. So it does come packaged in some plastic as well, but I went ahead and took it out of the plastic because I wanted you to be able to see that. And then I wanted to show you that this is the tag that they're saying not to remove. So you want to try it on first to make sure that it's going to fit. And it's pretty true to size. Like I get a size 9, and that's what I wear on my middle finger, and I can wear it on my middle finger or my ring finger. So they're pretty true to size. So look at that, how pretty. I think it looks really pretty against the black background, so I wanted to show it to you again how it looks. It's a double knot band. So it's the infinity knot band. This comes in silver and it also comes in yellow gold as well. There are 45 round stones in here, and it is the 925 silver. Then it has a silver plating over top of that. So all these beautiful round stones are in here, and I can't believe there's 45, but it has that really pretty infinity detail. So let me put this on so you can see what it looks like. So like I had stated, I did get this in the size 9 just because I wanted to be able to fit it on the middle finger. Love that double infinity knot detail. So nice. And I just think this is a classic looking piece. Of course, it would look so good on the ring finger as well. And then I just wanted to mention that these two rings that I wear are replicas of my wedding band and my engagement ring. And they look very similar to it, but these I picked up from Jeulia Jewelry probably about a year ago. And I think it's a really good replica. And these are made out of the moissanite, so they're not that really expensive price tag. I want to just mention these are some that I wear on a daily basis, and they are from Jeulia Jewelry, and they're really nice. But this ring, so good. And these I've had for over a year. They've not tarnished. They still look brand new. They still sparkle, and they're really good. So I can attest that this jewelry does hold up very well. It's very nice. And just look how beautiful that infinity knot band is. So pretty. I was so excited about this necklace when I picked it out. I could not wait to get it, and I immediately opened it up, and I was so blown away by how beautiful this necklace really is in person. So this is just like a piece of art. It's so pretty. So this is the gradient pink hibiscus flower necklace. So it looks like the hibiscus, and it's got 88 stones total in this necklace. And they go from fuchsia to like a light pink to a clear. So they have that gradient look, and when the light hits them, they sparkle. It's so nice. They almost have like a shimmery effect. Like, say for instance, if you were looking at flowers outside and they have a little bit of dew on them, how they have that little shimmer. That's how this looks when it's in the light. I hope that this is picking up. You've got the fuchsia, and then it turns into the like blush pink, and then the clear. And this is in a sterling silver as well, the 925 sterling silver. So let me put this on, and I've got a black top on and more of a higher neck because I was hoping this would really show up, because I love the way this shows on black, because I feel like sometimes on these videos you cannot see the beauty of this, but if you're in person, you can really see how it shines and just shimmers. So I'm going to put this on so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I had to get the hair out of the way so you could see this. This is so pretty, you guys. it looks really good against the black background. So if you have any kind of like a boat neck or a crew neck top on, it's gonna look really good against the material. But then if you have a V-neck, this will look really good. Now, I could not see that this was adjustable, so this is going to be the length that it's going to have to be, and I think it's a perfect length because if you do have those V-necks, it's going to look really good against the skin. Then if you have the higher neckline, that's going to look really good. If you have like a mock neck or something like that, I think this will look really pretty against it. But just look how beautiful this is, and it's just shimmering in the lights that I have around. I hope it's coming up on camera because it is shimmering really nicely, but I think this is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It's just like piece of art on your neck. I think it's so great. So I love both this knot detail ring and then this hibiscus flower necklace. I think they're so very beautiful and they're just handcrafted, so they're really good quality. And I love Jeulia Jewelry. Like I said, I've had some of their jewelry for over a year and I've not seen any kind of tarnishing or turning or anything like that. They've held up well. I don't wear my jewelry in water, so I can't really attest to that, but I can assure you that this is really good quality and it lasts for a very long time. Like I said, I've had these for over a year and I wear them quite regularly and they still look brand new. So I hope that you have found this video very helpful, and check out Jeulia's website because they are celebrating their 11th anniversary, so they have lots of discounts and specials for their anniversary. And also check these two pieces out. I think they're really great. And this one is available in the gold as well if you like gold better than the silver, but I just was really in a silver mood when I was picking these out. So definitely, I thought this was so pretty. I thought it was a very beautiful piece that you can wear. You can wear it every day. You can wear it dressy too. It's just a really beautiful piece. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if so, please hit that like button. I always love to hear your thoughts and what you like and any of your feedback in the comments below. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.